Did you know that the decorated apparel industry had an estimated value of over $26 billion? Yes, $26 billion in 2022. That's a pretty big pie, and I think we can all do pretty well with even a tiny little slice of that. Some of my favorite makers and t-shirt heroes got started with the Silhouette Cameo and a heat press. So when it came time to start my shop, that's exactly what I did too. At Heat Press Nation, we don't believe there's one single print method for everybody, just the right print method for you. But if you're interested in starting a custom t-shirt business, you don't want to spend a ton of money, you want something that's easy to use, and you want to keep your production in-house, well, keep watching because I think this is the video for you. One of the many things that I love about making t-shirts with HTV is how simple the setup is. Here's a quick list of everything you'll need. Of course, we have to start with the trusty Silhouette Cameo 5 in your choice of color. You'll also need a heat press. I think the HPN Craft Pro 15 by 15 inch heat press complements the Cameo 5 extremely well. And if you want to step it up a notch or two, you could pick up the HPN Signature Series 16 by 20 inch auto open heat press, which is actually the heat press that I've owned for years now. You're also gonna need some vinyl to put on the t-shirts. The Caesar Easy Weed is my usual go-to, but lately I've really been enjoying Caesar Eco Stretch as well. I recommend starting off with a roll of white and black HTV just to have on hand, as these are the most popular colors. There are tons of other HTV styles and colors out there, so please go to heat.press/HTV to see our full collection of HTV in puff, glitter, reflective, fluorescent, glow-in-the-dark, and lots more. After that, grab a hook tool for weeding your HTV and a pro-grade non-stick sheet to cover your transfers when pressing. With these 5 things, you are set. That's literally everything you need to start your HTV business. There are a few items you might find helpful to have on hand, but I'll save those for the end of this video. Now that you have your Silhouette Cameo and a heat press, you'll be able to customize t-shirts for your clients. For business clients, popular products are going to be uniforms, giveaways, and general merchandise. For casual clients, special events are big business. I'm talking birthdays, graduations, family reunions, and so much more. And that's just t-shirts. One of the other things that I love about HTV is how easy it is to customize other garments as well. Some of the most popular non-t-shirt items you can make with this setup would be hoodies, crew neck sweaters, and tote bags. Of course, you can also do things like baby clothes, jerseys, backpacks, and seriously so much more. And if you want to add a hat press to the mix, you can start making custom hats as well. Heck, you can also get some adhesive vinyl like Oracal 651 or Caesar Easy PSV Starling, and you could start cutting out stickers and decals. Honestly, I haven't even scratched the surface of everything that you could make with your Cameo and heat press. There's a whole world of customization for you to explore and enjoy. Now you have your equipment, you know what you want to make, it's time to start slinging some t-shirts. Some people complain the market is saturated with shirt shops, and in some corners it might be, but did you know that the decorated apparel industry had an estimated value of over $26 billion, yes, billion with a B, $26 billion in 2022. That's a pretty big pie, and I think we can all do pretty well with even a tiny little slice of that. When you're first launching your business, you're gonna wanna sell your items wherever and whenever you can. Having a Silhouette Cameo and a heat press setup gives you tons of flexibility since you're in full control of your production. Do you want to make shirts as the orders come in? Would you prefer to spend a Saturday heat pressing tees and building up your inventory? The choice is yours, and that flexibility allows you to build out your business model in a way that best suits you. You could take custom orders through your DMs or an established marketplace like Etsy. You could launch a clothing line with your own website. You could sell in person at craft fairs or pop-up shops. There are so many options and opportunities for you to make money with your business. This last part is sort of a bonus section to help you get started on the right foot. These tools are not only found in my shop, but in literally tens of thousands of t-shirt shops across the country. First, especially for beginners, is Albachem Vinyl Letter Remover, or VLR for short. If you ever make a mistake pressing, VLR removes the vinyl and gives you a second chance on your garment. Pressing pads and pillows are great for when you're imprinting an area of a garment next to a button, zipper, thick seam, collar, or other thick area. Alignment tools like the T-Square It and Logo Grid It will ensure your transfers are centered, straight, and have consistent placement, which is key for producing a professional quality product. And last but not least, a little tool to help save your sanity, the Vinyl Scrap Catcher. I love these things. All of the equipment, supplies, and tools that I've shared in this video can be found at none other than heatpressnation.com. Not only do we sell these products, but we back them up with a 1-year warranty and free lifetime technical support. So if you ever need help troubleshooting your Silhouette Cameo 5, heat press, or heat transfer vinyl, you could speak directly with a friendly My Expert support technician at 800-215-0894. Before you go, hit that like button and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Silhouette Cameo and other heat transfer content.